Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to see private videos on TikTok. So let's get into it. First of all, open TikTok. Click on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap on the lock icon and this will show you all of your private videos. Tap on this private video and at the bottom, it says posted a video and it says private. If you want to make it unprivate, tap those three dots at the bottom right corner. And then it says, who can watch this video? I can always tap on that and adjust it to friends or everyone. If I want everyone to be able to see this private video, and then you can adjust who can comment, who can do it, and who can stitch on this specific video itself. So you can always adjust those and change the privacy settings to either make it private or unprivate if you want to. And that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.